Europe once built the world. From German engineering to British steel, from French design to Italian innovation, the continent was the heart of global industry. But today, the story looks different. Factories are struggling, bureaucracy is rising, and while Europe debates, China is building, faster than ever. Now, a bold voice inside Europe's own industry is calling for change. Thyssenkrupp's CEO Miguel López says it's time to wake up, to build new industrial champions, and to bring Europe back to the front of the global stage. Can Europe compete again? The problem: Europe is falling behind. López paints a stark picture. In China, factories are modern, automated, and data-driven. Robots don't take breaks. Software manages efficiency in real time. Meanwhile, in Germany, the birthplace of Made in Germany, productivity growth has nearly stalled. Energy costs are high, labor costs are rising, and bureaucracy, it's crushing innovation. López puts it bluntly: China solves problems in half the time we do. That's not just a warning, it's a challenge. Because while Europe is known for quality, China has closed the gap, and in some areas, even surpassed it. The vision: Europe needs new industrial champions. López's message is clear. Europe doesn't need more regulations. It needs bigger players. Industrial champions, companies powerful enough to invest, innovate, and compete globally. Just like Airbus became Europe's response to Boeing, López believes new giants must rise in energy, steel, and technology. At Thyssenkrupp, he's already taking bold steps. He's breaking up the old conglomerate, spinning off divisions that don't fit the future, and transforming the company into a dividend-strong financial holding. In simple terms, Thyssenkrupp won't just make things. It'll own the future of European industry. The reality check. It's not that simple. Europe's industrial system wasn't built overnight, and it won't transform overnight either. Thousands of small and mid-sized companies depend on traditional industries. Government subsidies are limited, and every new factory faces environmental reviews, labor regulations, and political debates that can last years. Meanwhile, in China, projects move at lightning speed. An idea becomes a factory in 6 months. In Europe, it can take 6 years. So López's challenge isn't just industrial, it's cultural. He's asking Europe to rediscover its hunger to build. The Thyssenkrupp playbook: inside Thyssenkrupp, the transformation has already begun. López is cutting costs, streamlining operations, and focusing on core technologies like green hydrogen, defense systems, and high-tech materials. He's betting on the future, not the past. And the goal isn't just survival, it's to make Thyssenkrupp a profitable global leader again, and a model for how Europe can reinvent its industries. Imagine a Europe where companies are fast, efficient, and digitally connected, where Made in Germany means smart, not just strong. That's the dream. And Thyssenkrupp might just be the test case. The bigger picture: can Europe catch up? López's push is part of a bigger movement across Europe. From France's push for energy independence, to Italy's focus on advanced manufacturing, and the EU's push for technological sovereignty, the message is the same. Europe must stop depending on others and start building again. But time is running out. While Europe debates, others innovate. Will Thyssenkrupp's changes inspire a bigger trend? Will Europe's industrial revolution fizzle out before it even starts? Fade before it begins? Miguel López believes Europe still has what it takes: brains, craftsmanship, and courage. But now, it's about execution. No more waiting. No more excuses. Because the next decade will decide whether Europe builds the future or buys it. What do you think? Can Europe rise again? Or has the age of industrial champions already passed? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.